Welcome to 8 Pepper Close in Ballajura. The house is set quite far back on the block, which is very nice, very private. Double car garage at the front here. It's just down there. We'll have a look there in a moment. So you've got another path on this side, which also leads through side access to the garage.
I'm my one after that then. Well, from here I'm going to straight through the lane.
Big open living spaces. Lounge room. Go through to the master bedroom. Very large, mirrored sliding built-in robes. Bathroom. Tile flooring. Freestanding shower separate to the bath. Double vanity. Lots and lots of light here. Tile flooring all through here. Lots and lots of living space. Little laundry just here. Side access. Entrance through to the outdoor entertaining area, which we'll have a look at in just a moment. Kitchen. Dishwasher. Gas stove top. Quite a lot of bench space. Next bedroom, ceiling fan, and a built-in robe with mirror, a little desk nook as well. This bedroom is similar, large built-in robe and a ceiling fan. Window there with some nice green outlook. Here's the second toilet and the second bathroom. So you get a combined shower and bath with a skylight, a large vanity. Let's go back to the outside area. Through there is where the laundry comes out. Got a sunken entertaining area. An old barbecue, which I don't believe works, but still great entertaining bones. You're back straight onto a park, big oval, lots of trees. Just beautiful, really. There's the living space that we came through before. Straight out to the park there, very, very nice. Side gate there, straight to the park, back inside again. Ceiling fans in this area, lights. Let's walk through to the front. Feels very private.
It's his home, so
Let's have a look. And that's 8 Pepper Close.